Good morning and welcome to week 8 of organizational behavior. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week so far. And in this week, we're going to be talking about the organization system part 2. Hope you really enjoyed this class, and this is our last week together. Our goals for the week are this right here, and I'm definitely going to add some videos to really help us out with that. But I wanted to kind of go over the high points of this week and kind of really look at what's going on and kind of identify kind of how we want to go do that. So this week we're going to be looking at chapters 17 and 18 of the textbook. And let's go ahead and go to the next page so we can see what the assignments are for this week. Go back. So we have a discussion board post, as always, and we have an assignment due this week as well. Like I said before, I'll definitely add in some different things to really talk about kind of the introductory subjects in this week. But if you guys have any questions or need anything from me this week, please let me know. Hope you've had a good class with me, and I've definitely enjoyed spending time with you. If you have any questions or need anything, please let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.